In this video, we're going to be doing partial fraction decomposition using the substitution method. So for this example, we're going to be decomposing x plus 1 over x minus 1 squared, x plus 2. The first step is to assume the partial fraction form. So we're going to use the table. In the denominator, we have x minus 1 squared. So for the partial fraction decomposition, we have to take a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 squared. So we have to take the x minus 1 squared, but also all of the lower powers of that term in the denominator. So for the x plus 2, this is a distinct linear term, so we get plus c over x plus 2. The next step is to multiply through by the left-hand side denominator. So multiplying everything by x minus 1 squared, x plus 2. On the left-hand side, the denominator cancels. With the a term, the x minus 1 will cancel the squared. With the b term, the x minus 1 squared will cancel. And then with the c term, x plus 2 will cancel. This leaves us with x plus 1 equals a times x minus 1 times x plus 2 plus b times x plus 2 plus c times x minus 1 squared. So from here we're going to pick three values of x to substitute into this equation. So this equation is true for all values of x, so we could just pick any three values of x and then solve the simultaneous equations that we get. To be a little bit more strategic, I'm going to try and pick values of x that will make some of the brackets equal to 0 to remove some of those terms from the equation. So starting off by choosing x equals to minus 2, because this will make the x plus 2 equal to 0, which will remove the a and the b terms from that equation. Substituting x equals minus 2, we get minus 2 plus 1 equals a times minus 3 times 0 plus b times 0 plus c times minus 3 squared. We divide by the 9 and we get that c is equal to minus 1 over 9. So next I want to make the x minus 1 equal to 0. So to do this, I let x equal to 1. Substituting in x equals 1, we get 1 plus 1 is equal to a times 0 times 3 plus b times 3 plus c times 0 squared. And simplifying, dividing by the 3, we get that b is equal to 2 over 3. So I can't make any more brackets equal to 0, but I already know the value for c and b, so I can substitute those into that equation that we have, and then just pick any value that I want for x. So to keep the number small, I'm going to choose x equals 0. So substituting x equals 0, I get 0 plus 1 is equal to a times minus 1 times 2 plus b, which is 2 over 3 times 2 plus c, which is minus 1 over 9 times minus 1 squared. So simplifying this down, we get that a is equal to 1 over 9. Now substituting the values for a, b and c back into the original form, we get that x plus 1 over x minus 1 squared, x plus 2, is equal to 1 over 9 x minus 1 plus 2 over 3 x minus 1 squared minus 1 over 9 x plus 2.